Hey everyone, it's Amy and today I'm going to be showing you how to create Christmas light nails. So I'm going to go ahead and do this set on some press-ons. I have those all set to go. The first color we're going to start out with is Light Elegance's Magic by Moonlight. This is a iridescent silvery type of color. It's more like a glitter, but it is from their color gel. I'm going to go ahead and paint all the nails with a thin coat of this. Next, we're going to use Light Elegance's Sparkles or Sequins. This is from their recent winter launch. I will leave a link to that video down below. But this one is super sparkly, super shiny, has different chunks of glitter in it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a coat of this on top of the nails. So I really wanted these nails super shiny. That's why I double layered the glitter with that Magic by Moonlight color. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take Madame Glam's black gel paint, and I'm going to take my Young Nails detailer brush, and I'm going to start on the thumb, and I'm going to go all the way across the nails and create a single strand of lights with little loops in them. So this design I had actually done back in 2017, so about 5 years ago. I'll insert a picture here. In this one, I did more of like a wintry backdrop. This time I'm doing more of a sparkly backdrop, but I never filmed that one. I'm not sure why. I don't know if it was right before I started filming or that one just didn't make the cut that year, but I really wanted to recreate this set but make it sparkly. And you'll see here that I ended up deciding that I didn't like how thick I drew the strand of lights, so I actually go back, wipe down each one, redraw it in a thinner line. So I just wanted to leave that in the video to show you guys that we change our minds and gel is easy to change before you cure it. Things happen. If you do it too thick, you wipe it off, you start all over again. Nothing's gonna come out perfect the first time. Once I have the strand of lights how I like it, I go ahead and cure that, so that way that is set in place. And then I go ahead and add little caps where the light bulbs are going to be on the strand. Now for the Christmas lights, I'm going to be using red, green, yellow, and blue gel paint, all from Madame Glam. I'm going to go through and basically alternate. So I'm going to do a red one, and then I'm going to skip 3, do another red one, skip 3, and then kind of fill it in. So I am going to do it in that order: red, green, yellow, blue, repeat, red, green, yellow, blue. I just go through, I do all the reds, the greens, the yellows, and the blues, and just fill them in. And I do flash cure in between colors as well. Now taking Madame Glam's white gel paint, I'm going to add some accents to the lights. I'm just adding that little white accent on the light bulbs. Once I have the accents done on the light bulbs, I actually go in and create little dots to give it like a snowy effect, as if this is a strand of lights outside on your house on a snowy day. So I just do little dots with the dotting tool, and then I go back through, and on some of the dots I do star it out a little bit to give it that either star, snowflake vibe, whichever you're picking up on. And finally, it's time for top coat. I will be using my light Elegance Super Shiny. Here's how my Christmas light nails came out. I absolutely love them. I love how sparkly Sparkler Sequins is. I just wanted to find a way to use it, and doing this strand of light nails, I've been wanting to redo this and do it in a video for you guys. So make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you've been joining my Christmas nail tutorials, make sure you're following my Instagram. I have a couple other pictures I'm posting of Christmas nails. And make sure you're subscribed for more tutorials coming out very soon. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.